am a writer, I might just have to fax it. Vacancy try, can never ever tax it. Come to my show, hear my introduction. When I'm in the studio, there's no interruption. To the way that I flow, I know that I blow into another verse, a burst, to a different direction. To let you know, this the political election. This is like a hand grenade. When my words start to flow, you start to fade. So step back before you get some static. My mic and my gun is like an automatic. Shooting dope lines and rip rhymes. This is the style that'll blow your mind. This is for the ones that wanna hear my voice, because the ladies know that I am the choice. Dear presence is stacking higher and higher, possibly getting larger than a gunfire. But when I do this, I do it in order. My music is played from a border to border. But when I'm at a show, I get ill. Fake MC hadn't paid his bill. I've been struggling since 1980. Fake MCs really don't faze me. I've been around, I heard the sound. That's why I got bass pumping the crowd. I take my words, put it in a cycle. When you're dead, this is how my life goes. From word to word, about bass flow. Put on my beautiful vest and grab my ammo. I take a step out the back door. Hit it with a round to send them on the floor. Let them know I got pulled. Turn up the volume cause the sound is full. Take the time, relax to make your mind up. I feel fine, so I'm gonna wind up. Like a clock, watch it stop. I keep ticking till I reach the top. Looked around at the checked out the sights and sounds. Now I'm able, ready to throw down. You gotta think and learn. If you don't, you'll get burned. I'm a teacher, you are my apprentice. As I rock while I pursue this. Rhythm and rhymes will blow your mind while you try to steal the piece of the pie. I am a warlord that will destroy any and all toy boys. I'm rough and tough and all this stuff. I keep rocking till you had enough, and I'm here and I will never come back. I will keep alert and stay attacked. EMCs that across the land, my words are bad, they will vibrate the spine when I say this. Your mind go blank, coming down the street like an army tank, knocking suckers out of positions. Now it's time to reminisce condition. When I come strapped, but it was a trap, I tap. I use some of the words that I wrote. I use rough, tough stuff that is dope. I rock a microphone, just me in the air as I rock alone. Not two or three, little old me, writing good dope raps naturally. I think of a country beat to make the house lady freaks and the licks that'll reach the peak. You gotta be strong to move along like a stone to a pebble, reach another level, state of mind. Don't be blind about the things you don't see, such and such and so free. There's something that make you move, so I invented the boom. So you can dance to this, not prance to this. And when I rock a microphone, I rock alone.